Guys, today I will be doing an unboxing of Petbiz dog locator or tracker, and this is how it looks like. This is my second one. My puppy is now big enough where I feel like it won't be too big on his neck, so went ahead and got a second one because it works really well. So I'm not going to talk too much about the features this time. I'll make another video about that, but then I just wanted to show you this delivered to my door. Let's see, let's go ahead and start opening it. A little ASMR for you. Who likes that opening the box sound? All right, so here we go. This is the leash it came with. It's a little military green one. The other one I had was gray. Okay. Petbiz. Okay. Yeah, they're pretty known for their little bow tie. The little bow tie design. Like I said, this is the second one. So, all right, so let's go ahead and open it. There must be a little tape or something. Oh, gee whiz. It's on the side. Jeez, guys. All right, so now I opened it. Nice packaging. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this other one they sent was just a free little backup. This is the one that I had last time as well. It's a nice thick gray one. I'll open it for you right now. These are really sturdy. My other dog, you know, she's a very active dog and no issues with this one. So yeah, the quality is quite nice for this. Buckles and buckles. All right, and then, all right, let's open this one now, this box. Oh, is there anything else here? Let's see, what's this? Oh, this is they give you a little measurement as well. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I see. This is to take off the cap, I'm assuming. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is probably to help. Let's go ahead and try. So what would I do this? I guess just yeah, well, whatever. This is a tool that helps do something. All right, guys, sorry. Let's go ahead and see. So they give you 3 choices as far as like these little bow ties go, design. You know, obviously this one is different. This, I try to choose one that's more better for a little boy, a male. And yeah. Oh, this is purple. I thought this was gray. Anyways. Oh, this must be the one with the actual gadget. Yeah, here we go. So we're gonna charge it. Charging is quite fast, maybe like a couple hours, and it lasts really long, like a few weeks. So no issues there. Let's see, where is the little buckle part? I think it would be here. No. All right, let's see if there's anything else. There should be a little plastic strap. Oh yeah, it's right here. Okay, so here's the charger. quite simple. I don't know if that was a USB something 2.0. And it gives you 3 of these. So the way this works is it hooks here, and then it hooks here, and then it hooks into your leash. I'll go ahead and demonstrate. So you probably want to go somewhere around here, and then you'll probably just go ahead and buckle it right there. This thing's pretty sturdy. Like I said, I had the second one, and it lasted a really long time. No issues. Hiking, running through bushes, all that stuff. So this is, surprisingly, it's lasted really long. Over a half a year, if not a year, maybe a year. Yeah, probably a year, almost. All right, so gotta give you guys a look. And I'll just say this, Petbiz, I like it because it uses GPS. So the other one we were considering was the Apple version, but the Apple version is better for cities. And if you have a large network of other Apple users, or just a lot of Wi-Fi around. But if you're someone that's like more outdoorsy, going out into the countryside a lot, or leaving the big city, then Petbiz is probably better because it relies, like I said, on GPS or satellites, or I believe the large towers and stuff. So it doesn't you don't need a lot of other internet Apple users and stuff around. All right, so yeah, I think that's pretty much with the box, with the packaging. Not much else. They give you 3 choices of these bow ties. This is the one here. You could also buy it separately and put them on. And it gives you 3 of these in case, I did lose one before, and it's because I had to recharge it. So you can just take this off without taking off the whole leash from your dog. And then when I took it off, I think it might have fell, or my other little puppy might have bit it and took it away, and I can't find it now. So luckily, yeah, they give you 3. So yeah, no issues there. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna try to figure out how to use this. I'm pretty sure this is just to take off the bow tie, or we'll see. I mean, this is not important. I'm sorry if I didn't explain every single thing in the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps. Petbiz, recommend. Yeah, yeah, if you have a chance, if you're looking for dog locator tracker, yeah, check out Petbiz. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.